Okay, today we're going to use your Sailor Math book again on page 317, and today is Wednesday, March 25th. Okay, we're going to skip count within 1,000. Okay, let's practice counting together by fives to 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So when we counted by fives, what was the pattern of the numbers? If you notice that it switches from 5 to 0, 5 to 0 in the ones place. Okay, let's count by tens to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you do not know how to count by fives or tens or by hundreds, please stop this video and practice counting by fives, tens, and 100s before you go on. Okay, let's do 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Okay, let's look at the bottom of the page now. We have count by fives, right, the missing number. We're going to go 90 to 95, 95 to 100, and then it would go 105, 110 to 115. Okay, let's turn the page and let's do page 318 together. It says skip count by fives. Go ahead and do number 2 by yourself for a moment. Okay, so let's count. 730, 735, 740, 745, 750, 755, 760. So if we took the hundreds out, it'll be the same thing. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Now, skip count by tens. Go ahead and do that one for me, and I'll give you a couple of moments. Okay, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. Then it would be 410. Okay, skip count by 100. 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Okay, now problem solving. Kaylee's art teacher buys 7 boxes of buttons. Each box has 100 buttons in it. How many buttons are there in all? So we have 7 boxes. And each one has 100. We would count the 7 boxes by, yes, 100. Let's do it together. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So how many buttons does she have in all? 700. Okay, the next one. Caesar has 9 cards worth 10 points each. Devin has 15 cards worth 5 points each. Whose cards have the greater value? Explain your reasoning. First, we have to figure out how much his 9 cards are worth. So we can think of it, have 9 cards. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's my 9 cards. But now they're each worth 10 points. So what are we going to count by? Yes, by tens to figure out how many he has. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we have 90 points for Caesar. Now Devin has 15 cards. I have 5 so far. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I want to make sure I have 15. I'm going to recount them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And they said his cards are worth 5 points each. So what would I count by his cards by? Yes, 5. So let's count it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So his cards are worth 75 points. So whose cards are worth more? It is Caesar's, because 90 is greater than 75. Okay, let's look right about it. Lucy wanted to skip count by 5s. The numbers she said were 5, 15, 25, 35, and 45. Is Lucy correct? Explain your answer. Why don't you count by 5s? Go ahead, count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. What did she do wrong? She skipped the number 10. So she skipped the number 10. And that's why she was wrong. Okay, that concludes pages 317 and 318. You are now to do page 319. Okay, 319 and page 320 by yourself. Okay, and have your parents check it over to see if you did it correct. See you later.